Welcome back, guys, to Tina's sewing class. And I just want to let you know that we are done with our sloper pattern. We have our front or back blouse. We have our back skirt, and we have our front skirt. The next step now is to make our skirt and then to join them. So that's going to be our next video. However, guys, what I'd like for you to do is to come in regular, sign up, subscribe, and like the video too. But most of all, make sure you're ringing the notification bell so you know when new videos are updated. I'm making different projects and throwing them up. As you can see, I'm going to be doing blouse, skirts, dresses, things like that. If you're going out, you have a night in the town, you're going out and you want a quick something to wear that's different, that nobody else have, your creativity, you can just get some ideas on those videos. And don't forget to like and share the videos, right? So others can benefit from this as well, okay? I hope you guys are having a fantastic time, because I am. So, alright guys, so as stated before, this is how we did the back of the skirt. So this was the skirt pattern. I just laid on top of my paper. I actually cut this one out already because I did the video, but I wasn't able to get it off of the camera, so I'm redoing it. So what I did was I just take the front and I place it onto my paper, and I give a 1-inch allowance for the back where you have your zipper, button, placket, whatever you're going to use as a closure. So I give that 1 inch and I just trace the pattern onto the paper. That's it. I make a notch at the top, a notch at the bottom, and I make my notches for my dart. I put a hole through here and just mark it on this side. Then what I do, I just cut it out. Same thing. All right. So here it is. I have the extra for my whatever I'm putting here, which is usually a zipper, and I usually put like a 7-inch zipper here. So that would be my zipper, would go here. Z-I-P-P-E-R. And that's my dart. I just cut, if you can see them. I just make notches on here to show where I'm gonna put this together, like so, and so put it like that, and just sew down here for my dart to give some shape and style to my pattern. So there it is, guys, back of our skirt, and of course we cut on the grain line. Back of our skirt, front of our skirt. And if you're new to the channel and you did not, this is the first video you're coming onto and you did not see the video for the front of the skirt, please go take a look at that. I'm going to put them together, front of the skirt, and we also did our back and our front sloper with our darts as well. Back dart, bust dart. You can go check these out, these two videos as well, to see how they're done. And I separated my videos into half, one at a time, back front, because it gives you time to go practice. Take your time, no rush, not too much information all at once, and you learn better that way. I find out that people learn better that way. So there you go. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut this skirt out, and I'm gonna put the skirt together. Then I'm gonna fit it onto the mannequin, and you'll see what it looks like. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you in the next video. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe so others can learn the process as well. Share, be kind, and share, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Ciao, ciao.